Hi class. Okay, so we are going to be using the app Pixton today. And so this app basically allows us to make a comic, like a comic strip or a comic book, whichever you prefer. So I'm going to kind of just go over how to use it. We have used it once in class, but I'm going to refresh y'all's memory for a bit. So I'm just going to make an example of one. So I am going to pick just one of these little backgrounds. And so I'm going to just pick this one for now. And so you'll click on it. And so let me actually pick a different one. Okay, this one. All right, so after you pick your background, you're going to click the characters button. And so you get to pick a character, and you can always just click on the preferences they have. They have some with different characteristics, but for now I'm just going to click on one of the pictures they already have for the characters. So I'm going to pick this girl. And so you can always change their outfits if you'd like, but I'll just keep her outfit on. That one's fine. Okay, so then you'll click the next button, which is the focus button. And so if you notice, I am going in order for the top bar right here. So I'm going to have her standing here. And then you'll click the next button. And so what is she saying? So I'm going to click, I'm going to type in that she is saying, "Hey, Carla." And so she is saying, "Hey, Carla." Okay, and so then you can also change her face. So she is going to be smiling because she's talking to Carla. Right, and then actions. She can be doing anything. I think I'm going to have her waving. So, once I'm done with this panel, I can then just press Add Panel on the left. And I can make another panel with Carla in it. So, what I'm going to do is go to Characters, and I'm going to add a character. And I'm going to add Carla. There is Carla. And so I'm going to have her standing. We're going to have them closer since they're going to be speaking to one another. And so Carla is going to say, "Hey, Jade, how are you?" All right, and then you would just click that check mark, and there it is popped up right here on top of Jade. And we're going to change her face. She's going to be smiling. And so you can always click that back arrow that I just clicked on, and you can change faces. So I'm going to change Jade's face too. She'll be smiling. And so that's kind of just how you do it. I hope that helped. But you can add as many panels as you'd like, as many characters, different backgrounds, any of that. So I really hope that helped for y'all's homework assignment tonight. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I can always help you in class tomorrow, or just send me an email and I'll help you through that. Thank you guys. Have a good night.